Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another video for you. Today we're gonna learn that how we can create a silhouette effect. So let's start by creating a new one. And I'll just change the background to white, and then we're gonna add an image as a layer. And now our image has been added, so let me just select it, and then we can free transform it. But before that, let me just make it a bit smaller. And now let us free transform this image. And then we can apply it, and let me just flip it horizontally towards this side. And now let us grab our eraser and let me change the size. And now we can start erasing this background. And if it takes a lot of time, we can use lasso select with the type of polygon, and then you can remove all this part. And now we have removed the background, so we can go to the settings and merge it visible. So the layers have been merged, and now we're gonna change the color of this image to black. Now as you can see, we have changed the color to black, so we can give it a kind of gradient effect with gray color. And in this way, it is ready. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.